pop when the beat goes.
Admiral Doggett, we did it.
Well done, Captain. The clockworks are reeling now. You've lit the beacon that will light our way to victory.
Survived your first suicide mission, eh? I assure you that is nothing finer. Well, I remember my first suicide mission. We were all...
Begging your pardons, sirs. We've intercepted some enemy intelligence that you need to hear.
Quick, Captain. Tell him everything that big, beaked clockwork told Kane.
Okay, that is a lot of XP right there.
Incredible. This intelligence you found is staggering. If this bishop fiend is right, we're on the very edge of defeat.
The Isle of Fetch is already in trouble. The endgame may have begun. So, Rook means to flank us via Mushu, eh? He's clever, I'll give him that. Gentlemen, I'll take the victory and deal with Rook's little maneuver personally, if you'll excuse me.
We'll go help.
Oh, no, you don't. You've proven yourself quite handy. I've better use for you. As Nelson hinted, we've lost contact with the Isle of Fetch. Our finest troops are holding the line on Fetch. Kurgers, colonial auxiliaries out of Raja. The finest troops in the Empire. Last we'd heard from them, they were complaining about their rations. We upgraded their provisions and haven't had a word from the devils since. If the Kurgers falter, the Armada will win a foothold on Fetch. If that happens, all Marleybone is doomed. We need to find out exactly what's going on. Go there and get this sorted out. Pirate, Her Majesty's forces are depending upon you.
Alrighty, let's level up our companions, shall we? Alrighty, so far we have to level up.
What now? Yes.
There we go. Okay, quick draw.
Yes, Captain. Ahoy! At your command.
Crap, still ain't enough. Hey, do we have time to do all this? Hold on. Yeah.
Help!
The heck? Hello, sir?
The Kurgers! They've mutinied. It was the new ration. Something about them drove them berserk. In all the commotion, I've lost communication with my fellow officers. Please find them and help them quell this silly uprising. At last word, Captain Harkness was holding his position on the boardwalk. Be careful, you may have to fight your way to him.
Okay. Oh, those are the Kurgers. Hello, sir.
And who are you, then? You haven't the muzzle of a commissioned officer, but I'm in no position to question assistance. These blasted Kurga were growling about their food. and the next thing you know, they've mounted a full-scale insurrection. My troops and I can hold this position for now, but without a way to send for help, I fear we'll soon run out of ammunition. I don't dare give up this position. I need you to venture out and attack Kurga. Then bring us as much ammo as you can carry.
Okay. Alright. Well, they already fell for that trap. Well.
On it.
Whoa! Since when did Scarlet become good at dodging?
Here it goes.
Okay then.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Okay, just forget that happened. Just forget that happened. Alright, how many did we get? We got 2. Alright. I need to go do something. I'll be right back. Okay. No more messing around. That's okay. I guess there is gonna be a bit more messing around.
Of course, Captain Captain.
Is that all? Aye, aye, Captain.
Wow. Really? Really?